The secret to better health: dates, nuts, and milk. Boost your health with dates, nuts, and milk. Are you looking for a healthy and delicious snack or meal? Try adding milk to dates and nuts. This combination is packed with nutrients and health benefits that will surprise you. In this video, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of milk, dates, and nuts, and show you how to make a simple and delicious snack or meal that you'll love. Here's a sneak peek at some of the benefits you can expect. Benefits of milk. Milk is a nutritious beverage that provides many health benefits. It is a good source of protein, calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients. Here are some of the specific health benefits of milk. Improved bone health. Milk is a rich source of calcium, which is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Calcium helps to prevent osteoporosis, a condition that causes bones to become weak and brittle. Reduced risk of heart disease. Milk contains nutrients such as potassium and magnesium, which can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Improved muscle strength. Milk is a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Protein also helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied after eating. Weight loss. Milk can help you to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. It is a low-calorie beverage that is high in protein and nutrients. Hydration. Milk is a good way to stay hydrated. It is a good source of fluids and electrolytes. In addition to these specific health benefits, milk is also a good source of other essential nutrients, such as vitamin A, vitamin B12, and riboflavin. These nutrients are important for overall health and well-being. Here are some additional benefits of milk. Improved digestion. Milk contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help to improve digestion. Reduced inflammation. Milk contains nutrients such as antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Improved cognitive function. Milk contains nutrients such as choline and iodine, which are important for brain development and cognitive function. Reduced risk of certain cancers. Some studies have shown that milk consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer and bladder cancer. It is important to note that some people may be allergic to milk or lactose intolerant. If you have any concerns about consuming milk, talk to your doctor. Dates benefits. Dates are a nutritious fruit that provides many health benefits. They are a good source of fiber, potassium, magnesium, and other essential nutrients. Here are some of the specific health benefits of dates. Improved digestion. Dates are a good source of dietary fiber, which helps to keep the digestive system healthy. Fiber helps to bulk up stool and keep it moving through the digestive system, which can help to prevent constipation and other digestive problems. Regulated blood sugar levels. Dates have a low glycemic index, which means that they do not cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels after eating. This makes them a good choice for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Improved heart health. Dates are a good source of potassium and magnesium, which are two minerals that are important for heart health. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure, while magnesium helps to relax the blood vessels and improve blood flow. Boosted energy levels. Dates are a good source of natural sugars and healthy fats, which provide your body with sustained energy. This makes them a great snack for people who are active or who need a boost of energy throughout the day. Better brain health. Dates contain antioxidants and other nutrients that can help to improve brain function and protect against cognitive decline. In addition to these specific health benefits, dates are also a good source of other essential nutrients, such as calcium, iron, copper, and zinc. These nutrients are important for overall health and well-being. Here are some additional benefits of dates. Reduced risk of cancer. Some studies have shown that date consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer and colon cancer. Improved skin health. The nutrients in dates can help to improve the health of your skin. For example, dates are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to keep the skin looking young and firm. Stronger bones. The calcium and magnesium in dates can help to strengthen your bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Healthier hair. The nutrients in dates can help to improve the health of your hair. For example, dates are a good source of iron, which is essential for hair growth. Dates can be eaten fresh or dried. They can also be added to smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods. Dates are a versatile and nutritious fruit that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Benefits of nuts. Nuts are a nutritious snack that provides many health benefits. They are a good source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Here are some of the specific health benefits of nuts. Improved heart health. Nuts are a good source of healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Nuts are also a good source of fiber, which can help to lower blood pressure and improve blood sugar control. Reduced risk of stroke. Nuts have been shown to reduce the risk of stroke, the leading cause of death and disability in the world. Improved brain function. Nuts are a good source of vitamins and minerals that are important for brain function, such as vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Nuts have also been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against cognitive decline. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Nuts have been shown to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, a chronic disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Weight loss and management. Nuts are a high-calorie food, but they are also a good source of protein and fiber. This means that they can help you to feel full and satisfied after eating, which can lead to weight loss or weight management. In addition to these specific health benefits, nuts are also a good source of other essential nutrients, such as copper, manganese, and selenium. These nutrients are important for overall health and well-being. Here are some additional benefits of nuts. Improved digestion. Nuts are a good source of fiber, which helps to keep the digestive system healthy. Fiber helps to bulk up stool and keep it moving through the digestive system, which can help to prevent constipation and other digestive problems. Reduced inflammation. Nuts contain antioxidants and other nutrients that can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation is a risk factor for many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Stronger bones. Nuts are a good source of calcium and magnesium, which are two minerals that are important for bone health. Calcium helps to build and maintain strong bones, while magnesium helps to absorb calcium. Healthier skin and hair. The vitamins and minerals in nuts can help to improve the health of your skin and hair. For example, nuts are a good source of vitamin E, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to keep the skin looking young and firm. Nuts are also a good source of biotin, which is essential for hair growth. Nuts can be eaten on their own or added to other foods, such as yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Nuts are a versatile and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. It is important to note that some people may be allergic to nuts. If you have any concerns about consuming nuts, talk to your doctor. How to combine milk, dates, and nuts. There are many ways to combine milk, dates, and nuts for a healthy and delicious snack or meal. Here are a few ideas. Smoothie: blend together milk, dates, nuts, and any other ingredients you like, such as banana, berries, or yogurt. Overnight oats: soak oats in milk with dates and nuts overnight. In the morning, top with your favorite toppings, such as fruit, honey, or seeds. Trail mix: combine milk powder, dates, nuts, and seeds in a container. Enjoy as a snack on the go. Date and nut milk: soak dates and nuts in water overnight. In the morning, blend together until smooth. Strain the milk and enjoy. Conclusion: adding milk to dates and nuts is a great way to boost your nutrient intake and improve your overall health. This combination is delicious and versatile, so you can enjoy it in many different ways. Subscribe to my channel and like this video for more healthy and delicious snack and meal ideas. Additional tips: you can use any type of milk in this combination, including cow's milk, almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk. If you're using whole nuts, soak them in water overnight before blending or using them in your recipe. This will make them easier to digest. You can add other ingredients to your smoothie, overnight oats, or trail mix to create different flavor combinations. For example, you could add cocoa powder, cinnamon, vanilla extract, or spices. Date and nut milk is a great alternative to dairy milk. It's creamy and delicious, and it's also packed with nutrients. I hope this video has inspired you to add milk to dates and nuts in your diet. Enjoy!